On the west coast, pelicans are also on the move. They must keep to a strict timetable if they're not to miss a great feeding event. They say a wonderful bird is the pelican. His bill can hold more than his belly can. While it's true he could swallow 5 kilos of fish in one gulp, these rays are way out of his league. They trawl for tiny shrimps, using their mouths as a net. They are also known as devil rays, and at times they appear to display supernatural powers. It seems they too can fly. Why they indulge in such weird acrobatics is anyone's guess. But the pelican's aerial perspective reveals that the jumps happen around the edge of the shoal. Perhaps they panic the shrimps into the mouths of the other rays. Or maybe they're just showing off.